iPhone 15 just tipped to bring this curved design back. For 3 generations, the iPhone has adopted a flat-edge design, but if the leaker Shrimp Apple Pro is correct, that could be set to change with the upcoming iPhone 15 family. In a series of tweets about the display design for Apple's next smartphone, the leaker claimed that while the display will remain flat, all 3 devices will have curved bezels. All I can say is that iPhone 15 now looks more Android than ever, the leaker had observed in an earlier tweet. Opens in new tab. If you're having trouble picturing how that might look, the leaker told one follower, opens in new tab, to just imagine the iPhone 11 Pro Max display, which was Apple's last smartphone before the flat aesthetic took over. Here's a reminder of what that looked like. The leaker also suggests that screen sizes will remain the same this generation. That may seem like a surprise, given how poorly the iPhone 14 Plus is reportedly selling, but it takes time to change course. Remember that we still got an iPhone 13 mini, even though it was clear very early on that the iPhone 12 mini was a dud, sales-wise. Elsewhere in the thread, Shrimp Apple Pro's source confirms that Ceramic Shield will return. It ain't broke, so why bother? That the front-facing camera appears unchanged, and that, as long predicted elsewhere, Dynamic Island will be present across all models, and no longer a Pro handset exclusive. Speaking of Pro handsets, there's also mention of the iPhone 15 Ultra, the widely tipped enhancement to make the 6.7-inch Pro Max model more desirable with features like a titanium shell. Source described the iPhone 15 Pro Max, aka Ultra, is sick, very beautiful, the leaker wrote. With the thinner bezels and curved edges could create the same effect like on Apple Watch. This talk of curves ties in rather neatly with a previous prediction from the leaker. Back in November, Shrimp Apple Pro suggested that the upcoming iPhone 15 handsets could have a curved back. If you combine both of these rumors, then you're left with a real breakaway from the flat design era. The key word in that sentence, however, is rumors, and while Shrimp Apple Pro's predictions have been proved right before, this remains speculation until we have a bit more evidence to go on. The good news is that if this does prove to be correct, we should have more to go on in just a few months. The leaker is predicting we should see CAD renders start popping up soon in March or April.